Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel Calculus and Mathematics Learning. In the previous video, we learned exercise number 2.3, that how can we solve the sum and the product of the roots of the given quadratic equation. Today we are going to start exercise number 2.4. Chapter name is Theory of Quadratic Equation KPK board. Question number 1 is if alpha beta are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and find values of alpha cube beta plus beta cube alpha. And second part of this question is find the value of alpha minus beta whole square. We take out common alpha beta from here, so inside solution we are left with alpha beta, outside inside here we common beta and 1 alpha, so inside we are left with alpha square plus, so here we take out alpha common and 1 beta, so inside we are left with b square, beta square. We know that alpha plus beta whole square is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 times of alpha beta, because the formula is a plus b whole square. Shift plus 2 alpha beta to the left side, so we are left with alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. So the value of alpha square plus beta square is this value. So put here alpha beta inside alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 times of alpha and beta. Alpha beta is actually the product of root, which we already learned in the previous video, that product of root is always equal to c over a. So put here c over a. Inside alpha plus beta, we already know that this sum of root is equal to negative b over a. Put minus b over a whole square minus 2 times of alpha beta is c over a. So by simplifying c over a inside of b square over a square minus 2c over a, multiply a and denominator, so we are left with a square, inside we are left with 2ac. Taking LCM a square, so c over a, we are left with a square into b square minus 2 times of ac. So this is the required solution to the given question. Solving part B. This is formula a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square minus 2 times of a into b. We know that alpha square plus beta square here is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta, and this minus 2 alpha beta will come down the same. So alpha plus beta value is negative b over a whole square minus 2 alpha beta minus 2 alpha beta gives us minus 4 times of alpha beta, and alpha beta is actually c over a. This gives us b square over a square minus 4c over a, multiplying a and denominator, so we are left with a square and numerator a. Taking LCM a square, so we are left with b square minus 4 times of ac. So this is the solution to the given part B. Move to question number 2. Question number 2 tells that find quadratic equation or palm quadratic equation whose roots are, now part 1 is 1 and 1 over 2, and part 3 is 3 plus under root 2 and 3 minus under root 2. Solution part 1. Sum of root will be equal to, let the roots are alpha beta, so the sum of root will be equal to alpha plus beta is equal to 1 plus 1 over 2 gives us 3 over t. This is sum of root. And product of root will be equal to alpha dot beta is equal to 1 multiply 1 over 2 gives us 1 over 2. Palm quadratic equation. We are going to make a quadratic equation. So the formula for making quadratic equation is x square minus sum of root multiply x of plus product of root of. This is the formula, is equal to 0. So x square minus sum of root is actually 3 over 2, and x will multiply with x, so 3x over 2 plus product of root is 1 over 2 is equal to 0. Multiply 2 to the both sides, so we are left with 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. So we make the quadratic equation. equation. Move to part 2. Sum of root will be equal to 3 plus under root 2 and 3 minus under root 2. Under root 2 will be cancelled out with negative under root, so we are left with 3 plus 3, which gives us 6. So this is sum. And product of root will be equal to 3 plus under root 2 multiply 3 minus under root 2. Here the formula use a plus b, a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So 3 square gives us 9 minus b is actually under root 2. And under root 2 square is actually gives us 2. So the product will be equal to 7. We are going to make quadratic equation x square minus sum of root time of x plus product of root is equal to 0. This is the equation use. X square minus sum of root is 6. So 6x plus product of root is 7 is equal to 0. So this is the required quadratic equation. Move to question number 3. Form a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation whose roots are square of the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Solution. Let the root are alpha and beta. That tells that the root are the square, so alpha square and beta square. Form a quadratic equation whose root are the square of the root of this equation. So alpha, so sum of root will be equal to sum of root is equal to alpha square plus beta square, which is equal to minus b over a. Sum of root formula is minus b over a. Alpha square plus beta square, we can write it alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. We learned it in the previous question. Minus b over a. So we know that alpha plus beta is actually alpha plus beta is minus b over a. So minus b over a whole square minus 2 times half. Alpha beta is c over a. So b square over a square minus 2c over a, multiplying a numerator and denominator. So 2ca taking LCM. B square minus 2ca. This is sum of root, and the product of roots will be equal to alpha square dot beta square. We can write it alpha beta whole square. Alpha beta is c over a whole square, so product will be equal to c square over a square. Our given quadratic equation is x square minus sum of root x plus product of root is equal to 0. X square minus sum of root is b square minus 2ac over a square time of x plus product of root is c square over a square is equal to 0. Multiplying a square to the both sides, so we are left with a square x square. A square will cancel out with this a square, so we are left with just minus time of b square minus 2ac time of x and plus c square is equal to 0. So this is the required quadratic equation which we make. Move to question number 4. If alpha beta are the roots of alpha beta are roots of 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0, find values of part 1 is alpha over beta and beta over alpha. Part 2 is 1 over alpha square plus 1 over beta square. Here is a plus, and third part is alpha square over beta plus beta square over alpha. Here we take LCM alpha beta, so above we are left with alpha square plus beta square. We can write alpha square plus beta square, alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta divided by alpha beta. Alpha plus beta is minus b over a whole square minus 2 times of alpha beta is c over a divided by alpha beta is c over a. So solving this, it gives us b square over a square minus 2ac over a square whole divided by c over a. Further solving, it gives us b square minus 2ac over a square multiplied a over c. A will cancel out with a, so we are left with b square minus 2ac divided by ac. So this is the solution to the given alpha over beta plus beta over alpha. Solving part 2, taking LCM alpha square beta square So above we are left with alpha square and plus beta square. Alpha square plus beta square can be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Or alpha square plus alpha square dot beta square can be written as alpha beta whole square. Alpha plus beta is actually minus b over a, so minus b over a whole square gives us b square over a square. And minus 2 times of alpha beta is c over a, it gives us minus 2ac over a square. Over a square. Whole divided by alpha beta is c over a, so c over a whole square gives us c square over a square. Taking LCM, so b square minus 2ac over a square. Shift this, so we are left with a square over c square. A square is cancelled out with a square, so we are left with b square minus 2ac over c square. This is the solution to the given 1 over alpha square plus 1 over beta square. Solving for alpha, taking LCM alpha beta. So above we are left with alpha cube plus beta cube, because we are left with b square over alpha and alpha square over beta. A cube plus b cube formula is used, which is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square over alpha beta. A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Alpha plus beta is minus b over a. Inside alpha square plus beta square can be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta, and minus alpha beta gives us minus 3 alpha beta. Divided by alpha beta is c over a. So minus b over a, and alpha plus beta is minus b over a, which gives us b square over a square minus 3 times of ac over a square divided by, we can written c over a as a over c. So minus b, a will cancel out with a, so minus b over c inside of b square minus 3ac over a square. Multiplying this with this, so it is the required solution to the given equation. Move to fifth question. Fifth and sixth question is very important in this exercise in both point of view. Fifth question is, if alpha beta are the roots of 3x square minus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0, then form equation whose roots are alpha over beta and beta over alpha. These are the roots to the given quadratic equation. Solution. Sum of the roots will be equal to alpha over beta plus beta over alpha. Taking LCM alpha beta. Above we are left with alpha square plus beta square. So alpha square and plus beta square can be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 times of alpha beta divided by alpha beta. Alpha plus beta is minus b over a, so minus b over a whole square gives us b square over a square minus 2 times of ac over a square whole divided by alpha beta is c over a. Taking LCM, so b square minus 2ac over a square. A square can be written as a dot a, and this will reciprocate, so a over c. A is cancelled out with a, so we are left with b square minus 2ac divided by ac. This is the solution to the sum of the root. Now we are going to find the product of the root. Product, it is equal to alpha over beta dot beta over alpha. Beta is cancelled out, beta alpha and cancelled out with alpha, so product is equal to 1. Applying the equation formula for quadratic equation, which is x square minus sum of x plus product of root is equal to 0. X square minus sum of root is b square minus 2ac over ac into x, so plus product of root is 1. Multiplying ac to both sides, so we are left with ac x square minus b square minus 2ac x, so and plus ac is equal to 0. So this is the given the required quadratic equation to the given question. Move to last question, question number 6 of exercise number 2.4, theory of quadratic equation. Last question is alpha beta are roots of x square minus 4x plus 2 is equal to 0. Form quadratic equation whose roots are alpha plus 1 over alpha, and second root is beta plus 1 over beta. First root is alpha plus 1 over alpha, and second root is beta plus 1 over beta. Solution. Sum is equal to alpha plus 1 over alpha plus beta plus 1 over beta. These are the sum of the roots of alpha plus beta, and take the LCM of 1 over alpha and 1 over beta. So above we are left with alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is actually from here, if we find sum of roots, so alpha plus beta is equal to minus b over a, b is minus 4, so 4 over a gives us 4, and product of root is actually 2. So alpha plus beta is 4 plus, so alpha plus beta is 4 divided by alpha beta is 2. 4 over 2 gives us 2, and 2 plus 4 gives us 6. So these are the sum of the roots. So product of roots will be, product is equal to alpha plus 1 over alpha multiply beta plus 1 over beta. Multiply alpha with beta gives us alpha beta. Multiply the same alpha with beta, so it gives us alpha over beta. Multiply 1 over alpha with beta gives us beta over alpha. And multiply 1 over alpha with 1 over beta gives us 1 over alpha beta. Alpha beta plus gives taking LCM alpha beta. So we are left with alpha square plus beta square plus 1 over alpha beta. Alpha beta plus beta over alpha. Solving here, alpha beta plus 1 over alpha beta, and we can write alpha square plus beta square the alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 times of alpha beta divided by alpha beta. Alpha beta plus 1 alpha dot beta is actually 2 plus 1 over alpha dot beta is 2 plus alpha plus beta is 4, so 4 square gives us 16, and minus 2 times of alpha dot beta is 2, so 2 multiply 2 gives us 4, and 16 minus 4 gives us just 12 divided by alpha beta is 2. 2 plus 1 over 2 gives us 5 over 2 plus 12 over 2 gives us 6, we can write as 12 over 2 taking LCM, so 5 plus 12 gives us 17 over 2. This is the product of root. Applying the quadratic equation formula, x square minus sum of root x plus product of root is equal to 0. So x square minus sum of root is actually 6, so 6x plus product of root is 17 over 2. We eliminate the 2 from the denominator, so multiplying 2 to the both sides, so we are left with 2x square minus 12x plus 17 is equal to 0. So this is the required quadratic equation if the roots are alpha plus 1 over alpha and beta plus 1 over beta. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon. Thank you.